Welsh used to have a letter that resembled the number 6. Not identical, just close enough that you wonder if the scribe sneezed mid-stroke. It's the Middle Welsh letter V, written as that, and represented V, U, or W. So if you ever see medieval Welsh that looks suspiciously numerical, it's probably just this thing. You'll find it all over 13th and 14th century texts. Perfectly normal words that nowadays start with W, used to start with something that looks like a bingo ball. Standards were different, and the alphabet didn't stop there. Welsh scribes also used edd interchangeably with double D. So a word like newydd might appear as newydd and newydd, all within the same paragraph, as if the scribe was playing linguistic roulette. And ell wasn't even 2 letters, it had its own tied ligature. Ell, a completely bespoke character, because someone somewhere decided Welsh wasn't complicated enough anyway. Best of all, you can combine all 3 into a single word. The modern gwyddbwyll, meaning chess, becomes gwyddbwyll. The 6 for a W, the edd for double D, and the ell for double L. A word that looks part Welsh, part algebra, and entirely like a medieval scribe showing off. So yes, Welsh spelling used to be stylish, experimental, and occasionally numerically confusing.